Bon, comme capable, ouais. Eh bien, jour qui était vendredi 17 novembre, samedi 18 novembre, avec dimanche 19 novembre, gros cyclone, gros inondasyon, l'eau cassée là, li frappé Saint Domingue sérieusement. Eh bien, pile parti dans Saint Domingue. En pile la pluie tombée, gen tunnel en bas highway qui dommagé, côté que gen 21 moun qui mouri, gen 13 000 moun là qui déplacé, qui obligé pas un côté priorité, car yon va y avoir de l'eau, gen pont qui tombé, gen highway qui crasé. Eh bien, nous pas réjouir de ça qui a passé ce domaine là, ça qui a passé ce domaine là, côté que frappé très fort. Oui, pas oublier que nous gagnons pile haïtien frères nous qui vivent Saint Domingue. Mais cependant, nous avons souligné que l'autre belligérant, quand vous Abinadel, bon Dieu, bonne occupation. Eh bien, bon Dieu, baille Abinadel occupation au nom de tout ancêtre nous. Eh bien, il a émerdé nous la frontière. Rivière Massacre là que nous prenons une petite prise, nous même prenons déjà 11 prises. Eh bien, nous dit canal la pape campé. Esprit ancêtre nous fâché.
In a report issued on Sunday, the Emergency Center or COE said that over 13,000 people in the Caribbean country had to move to more secure areas after torrential rains flooded homes, caused power outages, and damaged bridges and parts of roads. The COE confirmed that a total of 21 people have lost their lives. The National Police said that the storm's victims include 9 people who died on Saturday after rains caused the wall of a highway tunnel to collapse onto their cars. Videos on social media showed rushing water dragging cars down on streets and flooding ground floors of buildings. The COE said that over 2,500 had to be rescued by protection agencies and over 2,600 homes had been impacted by the storm. According to the COE report, 45 communities were without communication as of Sunday afternoon. Issued on Sunday, the Emergency Operations Center or COE.
You have new video this morning of floods that killed 21 people and destroyed thousands of homes in the Dominican Republic. Check out the video here if you can. Come a little closer to your screen. You can see rushing water dragging vehicles down streets and flooding buildings. More than 13,000 people are displaced as a result of this. Officials there now dealing with power outages and damaged infrastructure. 9 of the deaths are related to a highway tunnel that collapsed over the weekend.
5:07 at noon this morning video shows the severity of the flooding that killed 21 people and destroyed thousands of homes in the Dominican Republic. You see the water just dragging cars down the streets, flooding buildings. 9 of the deaths are related to a highway tunnel that collapsed this weekend. Heavy rain is expected to continue there through today.
We have a